Welcome to the AI Today podcast, where we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field of artificial intelligence. Tech giant Microsoft has unveiled its new artificial intelligence tool, VALL-E, an AI capable of reproducing any voice from an audio sample of just 3 seconds. For added realism, the tool is also capable of reproducing the intonations and emotions of the speaker. Introducing VALL-E in an article published by Cornell University, the developers explained that the tool was trained from 60,000 hours of recording from 7,000 unique speakers. According to its creators, VALL-E is intended to be used for text-to-speech applications, speech editing, and content creation. Aware of the risk of misappropriation, Microsoft is only offering a demo version of its new tool, the computer giant having chosen not to make it available to the general public for security reasons.